Zucchini, also known as courgette, is often thought as a vegetable, but it's technically a fruit. This summer squash belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family, which includes melons, cucumbers, and spaghetti squash. Although zucchini can grow over 3 feet long, it's typically harvested when it's still tender and under 8 inches. Originally developed in Italy in the early 1800s, zucchini has become a staple in various cuisines and is recognized for its versatility. While it has been used in traditional medicine for treating ailments like colds and aches, not all these uses have scientific backing. However, zucchini's nutritional profile is impressive and offers a range of health benefits. Here are 10 compelling reasons why zucchini deserves a spot in your diet, highlighting its impressive nutrient content and health advantages. Zucchini is rich in nutrients. Zucchini is a nutrient-dense fruit that offers a wealth of vitamins, minerals, and beneficial plant compounds. A serving of 1 cup or 223 grams of cooked zucchini provides 17 calories, 1 gram of protein, less than 1 gram of fat, 3 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of sugar, and 1 gram of fiber. This modest serving packs a substantial portion of your daily nutrient needs, including 40% of the recommended dietary intake for vitamin A, 16% of the recommended dietary intake for manganese, 14% of the recommended dietary intake for vitamin C, 13% of the recommended dietary intake for potassium, 10% of the recommended dietary intake for magnesium, 9% of the recommended dietary intake for vitamin K, 8% of the recommended dietary intake for folate, 8% of the recommended dietary intake for copper, 7% of the recommended dietary intake for phosphorus, 7% of the recommended dietary intake for vitamin B6, and 5% of the recommended dietary intake for thiamine. While raw zucchini offers a similar nutritional profile, it provides slightly less vitamin A but more vitamin C compared to its cooked counterpart. This difference is due to the fact that cooking can reduce vitamin C levels. Whether raw or cooked, zucchini is a low-calorie and nutrient-rich addition to any diet. Zucchini is rich in antioxidants. Zucchini is also a rich source of antioxidants, which are crucial for defending your body against damage from free radicals. These antioxidants help maintain overall health and protect against various diseases. Among the antioxidants found in zucchini are carotenoids, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene. These compounds are known for their beneficial effects on eye health, skin, and cardiovascular function. Additionally, they may offer protective benefits against certain cancers, such as prostate cancer. Interestingly, the skin of zucchini contains the highest concentration of these antioxidants. Yellow zucchinis in particular might have slightly higher antioxidant levels compared to their light green counterparts, enhancing their protective qualities. Zucchini promotes healthy digestion. Zucchini supports digestive health in several beneficial ways. Its high water content helps soften stools, making them easier to pass and reducing the risk of constipation. Additionally, zucchini provides both soluble and insoluble fiber. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stools and aids in smooth digestion, which is particularly effective when paired with adequate fluid intake. On the other hand, soluble fiber nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, or SCFAs, which are crucial for maintaining gut health. SCFAs not only support the health of gut cells, but also may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms associated with digestive disorders such as irritable bowel syndrome or IBS, Crohn's disease, and ulcerative colitis. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Now, let's get back to the video. Zucchini helps maintain blood sugar levels. Zucchini can be beneficial for managing blood sugar levels, especially for individuals with type 2 diabetes. With just 3 grams of carbs per cooked cup, or 232 grams, zucchini offers a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta, making it a great option for those aiming to reduce carbohydrate intake. Incorporating zucchini into your diet can help stabilize blood sugar levels and potentially reduce the need for medication. Its low-carb nature supports low blood sugar levels and insulin levels, while its fiber content helps prevent spikes in blood sugar after meals. Diets high in fiber from fruits and vegetables, including zucchini, are consistently linked to a lower risk of type 2 diabetes. Moreover, zucchini's fiber may enhance insulin sensitivity, further helping to stabilize blood sugar. Animal studies also suggest that zucchini peel extract could lower blood sugar and insulin levels, which is likely due to its rich antioxidant content. However, more research in humans is needed to confirm these effects. Zucchini helps improve heart health. Zucchini can support heart health thanks to its high fiber and potassium content. The fiber in zucchini, including soluble fibers like pectin, is beneficial for heart health. Studies have shown that increasing soluble fiber intake can help lower total and LDL or bad cholesterol levels, which are important for reducing heart disease risk. For instance, consuming just 2 to 10 grams of soluble fiber daily can lower total cholesterol and LDL cholesterol by modest amounts over a few months. In addition, zucchini is rich in potassium, which helps lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is crucial for reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Furthermore, the carotenoids found in zucchini have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease, adding another layer of heart protective benefits. Zucchini helps maintain good vision. Adding zucchini to your diet can support eye health due to its rich nutrient and antioxidant content. Zucchini provides vitamin C and beta-carotene, both essential for maintaining good vision. It also contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to accumulate in retina. These antioxidants can help protect your eyes from age-related conditions such as macular degeneration, which is a leading cause of visual loss in older adults. Additionally, a diet high in lutein and zeaxanthin may reduce the risk of developing cataracts, a condition that clouds the lens and impairs the vision. Zucchini may aid in bone health. Zucchini contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, as well as vitamin K and magnesium, which supports bone strength and health. Zucchini may have anti-cancer properties. While test tube and animal studies suggest that zucchini extracts may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, more human research is needed to confirm these effects. Zucchini may aid in prostate health. Animal studies indicate that zucchini seed extracts might help manage prostatic hyperplasia, a condition that can cause urinary and sexual difficulties in older men. Zucchini may help in thyroid function. Research in rats suggests that zucchini peel extracts can help maintain stable thyroid hormone levels, although human studies are necessary to verify this. Incorporating zucchini into your diet can offer a range of health benefits due to its rich nutrient and antioxidant profile. From supporting heart and bone health to aiding digestion and managing blood sugar levels, zucchini is a versatile fruit that can enhance overall well-being. Its low-carb nature and high-fiber content make it a valuable addition for those managing diabetes, while its antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin contribute to improved vision and potential cancer protection. Whether you're looking to boost your nutrient intake or enjoy a heart-healthy, digestion-healthy food, zucchini is a delicious and nutritious choice to consider. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads.